how are you? I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 4. And our prompts for this week is something folded, and I'm using this folded origami dress. I showed it just a few weeks ago before the end of the year, but I had a few of these lying around, so I had an idea, so I wanted to use that. Housework, whatever that means to you. I've got this vacuum cleaner and your pan. I guess the housework. I like cooking, but I don't like doing the dishes. An ocean creature. I've got this octopus. Random piece of washi tape. I've got this washi tape. Art scrap. I've got some of my jelly prints, leftover scraps of those. And the bonus is wrapping paper, and all I have is Christmas wrapping paper, but it doesn't have to be Christmas, I don't suppose, since it's just that plaid. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP4. I have them listed in my description box down below. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here's my finished collage, number 4 in the books. We've got something folded, housework, whatever that means to you. I've got the vacuuming and the pot. An ocean creature, I've got my octopus. He's really busy doing his housework. A random piece of washi tape. I've got this washi tape. An art scrap. I've got jelly print here and jelly print here. And wrapping paper, I've got it kind of hidden behind the other paper, but it's there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2023CWP4. And y'all have a great and wonderful week. And until next time, bye y'all.